Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll see how to build PIC programmer using Arduino. So let's get started. So for this project we'll need one Arduino board. We can select Arduino Nano. If you are using Arduino Mini, then you will need USB to serial converter as well. Again we'll need breadboard. This is the PIC we'll be using, PIC 16F1847, and we'll need few jumper wires. We'll need one LED to demonstrate target controller is working, and again we'll need one resistor for current limiting. We can select any register, like I'm using here 4.7K. I have selected Arduino Mini to my convenience because I can mount Arduino Mini on the breadboard. Instead of Arduino Mini, we can use Arduino Uno as well, because this board is having USB to serial on board. This is the connection diagram between Arduino and PIC microcontroller. So let's do the connection now. Okay, I will mount this Arduino Mini on the breadboard, and again I will mount PIC microcontroller. As I showed in the connection diagram, A3 is connected to MCLR, A1 is connected to PGD, A0 is connected to PGC, and of course we have to connect VCC and ground connection as well to the target MCU. You can see the connection closely. So this is the way I have connected Arduino to the PIC microcontroller. And as you can see, this is the Arduino Mini. This board doesn't have USB to serial converter on board. So I'll be connecting external USB to serial Arduino Mini. But yes, I am again saying that you can use Arduino Uno as well, or you can use Arduino Nano, which has USB to serial on board. We have connected USB to serial to the Arduino board. Now we'll be connecting LED to the target MCU to see the demo. Okay, the connection is ready now. Now let's see the software part. We will be using this repository for PIC programmer using Arduino. This project is done by Jaromir Sukuba. I really appreciate his work on this project. So to program the PIC microcontroller, we have two methods. One is low voltage programming and another is high voltage programming. So this project is basically for low voltage programming, and this really help when you are doing prototype or for your DIY project. First, download this repository. I have already downloaded the repository and extracted it. So after extracting, you can see the folder structure. The first one is the example for target MCU. This program is for PIC microcontroller. The second one is the firmware, which will be flashing on the Arduino. And this is the hardware. So instead of this hardware, we can use Arduino board as well. This is the software which will be running on PC. This is the source code of the software. You can go through this code for your reference. So there is already compiled executable as well. So we'll be using executable directly. As you can see the content in the file, controller name, memory, and the category which that controller falls into. This is the basically controller information which will be used in the application. So now let's open the executable in the command prompt. So this is the command which we'll be giving. So first one is the executable name. This is the COM port which we'll be giving, and this is the basically relay I have added, and this is the target MCU we have to mention, and this is the hex file name. You can re-verify the COM port in the device manager. Like, so in the device manager you can see which COM port it is connected to. So select the based on this COM port, enter the COM port here. So here in my case COM port is 4. So here I will be changing the COM port to 4 and I will enter. And like this we have successfully flashed the PIC microcontroller. As you can see, PIC is running with Flash software. So thank you for watching video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe for the channel for more videos.